Hey guys, it's Gamer Bear, and we're gonna do some tricks with the fidget spinner, as you see right now. So let's get going. So all to do this trick is you're gonna need this thing, which I think you get from one of these. You just gotta pull one off of there, like I did right here. Okay. So. Hold on. So you're gonna need a fidget spinner with two finger pads. Hold on, let me see if you guys can actually see. 2 finger pads. You need a fidget spinner, and yeah, you need this. You need some of these. So you can take the fidget spinner. I'll take one off. Put the other one on the bottom. Spin it. Put the other one on it. Right there, just like that. So it looks like this. Really going fast. And put this on, like that. Take one of these. Here, place it on. Which I failed that time, so yeah. Hold on, I'm gonna make this spin, and then I'm gonna pick the camera back up. Okay, ready for fidget spinner, spinning. Got the one finger pad. Put that on. Put this on. Okay, now I'm gonna place this on. And then you got this awesome looking thing, the fidget spinner. I'm gonna do 5 of these tricks. So that's cool. One of my favorite ones, and then you can put stuff on it, but it can't be heavy. Okay, so then now I'm gonna show you one of my personal favorite ones. And you're gonna need a fat book, just like this one. Place it on the side. Put that like that. Hold on, I'm gonna spin it. And that opens them up. There, I spinned it. It doesn't matter if you have the other finger pad. And now you can go like this. It still won't fall. Bring it over here. Woo! Break it up. Pick it up. This one person looks cool from the side. So you can go like this. Or the book can just eat yours if you touch it. Eat your fidget spinner. Well, let me try that one more time. Get this spinning. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna place it on the book. So let's see, this is a fat one, doesn't matter. Okay, put fidget spinner on the book. Let me spin it. Oh, fell. Dang it, come on. Okay, hold on. Let me just get it spinning, and then I'll let you guys see it. Okay, there it is. And then come from the side. That looks pretty cool. Then you can go like that. If you get really good at it. And then yeah, that's awesome. Well, that's one cool trick, which I like personally. Where did my other finger pad go? Just one. Oh, right, all the way over there. We just got a normal fidget spinner here. Nothing that crazy. So, next, we're going to be doing transfer. And you're going to need 2 of these. Clear everything out. 2 of these. Fidget spinner with 1 finger pad. Actually, doesn't matter. I prefer 1. Let me spin it real quick. Good. Hope you guys can see there. Spin it. And then go like that. So now it's still spinning on the table, and we transfer it from there to that. This is called transfer. And do that. Dang it. Well, somehow people can make this like that, go to there like I can, and then make it still spinning. Hold on. So, still spinning like that, and somehow start making it touch my fingers, and still spinning on their fingers. Well, that's one cool trick you can try at home. You just need these things. Now, it's here. Oh, yeah. The first one I showed you was called the top roll, and now you're going to need this type of thing, glass, and put that thing right there. You're going to need 2 finger pads, 1 on each side. Put it on top of this thing. Hold on, I gotta do this with 2 hands. Dang it, okay. And there we go. Dang it. Okay, there we go. You have it spinning just like that on the beer glass. And then if you're really good, you take this and place it on top. Well, I can't do that yet. And then it'll look really cool, which I really can't do this. I've been practicing. Dang it. Okay, well, we have one more for you guys, and this one's just a regular finger one. So I'm gonna place the camera right here. I don't know if you can see, about right there. Okay, so fidget spinner, both of these. And first you're gonna wanna practice spinning it like that, then transferring it to one finger. And you can make the one thing spin on top. See that finger pad? It's spinning. Some people can do that, not most, which I didn't really want it to do that. Cool. Okay, spin it, get rid of the finger pad. Make it go on one finger, then put your other finger from the other hand on it and transfer it with spinning. See how many you can do with those. And my high score of doing this without making it unspin or stop is probably 12. And when it gets really slow like that, it doesn't count anymore. So let's see how many you guys can do of that. And comment down in the chat below if you want to see more cool tricks with this fidget spinner right here. Leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll make more cool videos about other things and with other fidget spinners. With an air compressor, maybe. Only if you give 2 likes. If we get hit 2 likes on this video, I'll make more videos of this and maybe other things with an air compressor with these. And maybe different and cooler fidget spinners. So, if you guys like this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Boom.